Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you this beautiful and very amazing, very interesting and very easy knitting stitch pattern. So this pattern is very nice and very pretty. It looks so gorgeous and so amazing. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. This is the front side of the pattern, and this is its back side. So this pattern can be used in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, and for vest, for shawl, for jumper, for summer tops, and for tunic. This pattern is suitable for all knitting items. This is very easy pattern. So in order to make this pattern, you need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, and this is only 4 rows repeat pattern. So let's see how to knit this beautiful looking pattern. So friends, let's knit together. So this is our row 1 right side. So row 1 right side we slip edge stitch and we purl 2, we purl 2. Now we are going to start repeat pattern. Knit 3 and purl 3. That's the repeat. Knit 3 and purl 3. Now we knit it to the end of the row. For last 2 stitches we purl 2 and we knit edge stitch. So friends, this way I have completed row 1, and now we are going to knit row 2, and for row 2 we slip edge stitch and we need to and we purl 3 together and we purl 3 together and we will make another 3 stitches. We will make another 3 stitches. Like this, we knit 1, we make yarn over, and we again knit on the same stitches, and we drop these 3 stitches, and we knit 3. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. We purl 3 together. We purl 3 together and we make 3 stitches. We have to increase and we drop 3 stitches and we knit 3. Again we purl 3 together and we make yarn over and we purl 3 together and we knit 3. Again purl 3 together we make yarn over knit 3. Now for last we make 3 together, we knit 3 together and we purl 3, we make another 3 stitches and we knit 2 and we purl edge stitch. So friends, I have completed row 2. Now we are going to knit row 3 on the front side, and for row 3 we slip edge stitch and purl 1 and we twist this second stitch and we twist this knit stitch to the right way and we knit 2. We knit 2. Now we knit this another stitch and again we twist this loop stitch to the left way and we knit 2. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. Purl 1, twist to the right, knit and knit 2, knit 1 and twist to the left Yes, loop stitch, twist to the left and knit 2. This is our second repeat. This is our second repeat. Now we repeat it again. Purl 1, twist this, loop stitch and knit 2. We knit middle stitch and we knit, we twist left and we knit 2. So this way I will complete all the rows. So friends, row 3 is complete. Now we knit row 4, and for row 4 we slip edge stitch and knit 2, knit 2, purl 3, and knit 3. Knit 3. That's the repeat. Purl 3, knit 3. Purl 3, knit 3. Purl 3, knit 3. Purl 3, and knit 2, and purl edge stitch. So I have finished row 4, and as you can see, this is how beautiful looks of this pattern. This is so beautiful and so wonderful pattern, and this pattern can be knitted easily. There is no difficulties to knit this pattern. So this is our entire pattern. If you want, you knit further row 1 to row 4 over and over again according to your desired length. So friends, I hope you will like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all success in knitting and for good health. So goodbye.